Hi everyone, it's Michael. Today I made another tree farm block from Edita Sitar's tree farm quilt. I had taken the workshop last weekend with her. And this one I finished out with some of my own background fabric, just because the original block I did in her workshop, I kind of did it wrong. This was the background fabric that I was given, and I used it in the tree tops, and it's not really supposed to go in the top tree tops, but anyway, I didn't have enough to make one square on point block with setting triangles if I was just going to do one block. So anyway, this was kind of a practice block, but this is the block I made in the workshop. This is the block I made at home, and I used all the same background fabric that was fabric I had in my stash. So anyway, I have done, I got the quilt sewn, I got it loaded onto the Longarm, and I stitched out some things I was just playing with, but I also did a tracing onto this clear film and got some ideas. I know I want to do something. Sorry, I know the light from my light bar here. Let me see if this will make it. There you go. That's part of it. I'm turning the other one off too. Okay, so this kind of idea almost reminds me of Roots, the kind of wavy lines here. I'm gonna do sort of as if it's a landscape, a rolling landscape. These are just things I played with. I think I'm gonna do big pebbles, filling one, or circles, whatever you want to call them, some wishbone, and then some another one that's just plain. But anyway, I'm gonna do kind of rolling hills behind the tree, and I've changed my mind and made a lot of different things here, but I think I'm gonna do a cross-hatching in the middle of the background, and then I'm gonna go up with some swirly cloud type things at the top. Okay, so I thought I'd just go ahead and walk you through this whole process with me, all right? I'm just using my straight edge today, and let me change my stitch length. It was on basting. Okay, so here's where everything goes terribly wrong. I'm so sorry. This was meant to be a tutorial style video, and I was gonna walk you through all the process as I just mentioned. However, two things happened. One thing is a really loud construction crew pulled into the area and was doing some roofing. So, I mean, really loud and annoying. So that was going on, and the sound is not so great. The other thing is, for some reason, I got out of cycle with my stop and start button for filming, and I ended up recording a lot of downtime and not recording a lot of uptime. So certain elements of this were not filmed, and that kind of bothered me. So when I was looking at all the footage to start editing the video, I realized I was missing a lot. So I was just going to scrap the whole idea and not do it. However, I thought, well, maybe some of you might want to watch me work, and please don't, be too critical of the content here, because I didn't get to show you a lot of what I wanted to show you, or explain what I was doing. But if you just want to hang out and watch, I'll put some music on in the background here, and you can just watch me stitch. If you don't, then I promise the next one will be better content for you. But if you want to stick around, feel free to, okay? All right, thanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So I can match up my 45-degree line here on my ruler with the base of the tree, and I'm going to stitch all the way off, following the tree at first, and then just using the ruler to go all the way off. Okay. Then I'm going to come back around. And I'm going to match up my ruler with the other side of the tree trunk to figure out where I'm going to be to stitch back. So here we go, stitching up this side. here it is still on the frame, next to the practice one that I did, which I did take a few elements from, but changed it up a little bit. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. So I will get it off the frame and bind it and show it to you again when it's completely finished.